Keeping your cat's mouth clean is an excellent way to help prevent diseases. This includes diseases of the mouth and gums, as well as the spread of bacteria from the mouth to other parts of the body. Haley and I are going to give you 3 tips on how to optimize your cat's dental care. Tip number 1, brush your pet's teeth. Plaque, or a composite of food and bacteria, forms on your cat's teeth every day, just under the gum line. If this plaque is not removed within 36 hours, it hardens into tartar and eventually causes periodontal disease. Signs of periodontal disease that you may notice include bad breath, excessive drooling, or dropping kibbles of food while eating. Periodontal disease causes their gums to become swollen or tender, or even start to bleed. It can ultimately even lead to tooth loss. You can help prevent it with this and this. Ideally, you would want to start at the kitten stage to get your kitten comfortable with the process, but it's really never too late to start. Be sure to introduce brushing slowly and gradually. Having your cat in your lap helps keep her more warm and comfortable and helps prevent her from backing away. Initially, start by just moving your fingers around her mouth and gums, providing lots of praise and reassurance. Repeat this process a few times, sitting comfortably with your cat and rubbing around the gum line. Then add toothpaste to your finger and get her used to that flavor in her mouth. You'll want to be sure to use a cat toothpaste, not a human toothpaste or baking soda, because these can upset your cat's stomach or even cause vomiting. Cat toothpaste is designed to be swallowed and is made with special enzymes that help to clean her teeth. The canines, or the fang teeth, and the molars in the back of the mouth are important teeth to clean, as they often get the most plaque buildup. Brush gently at an angle by the gum line, continuing to pet your cat or calm her with your voice. Don't hurry the learning. If you can only get her comfortable with having you clean a few teeth at first, fine. Work up to the entire mouth slowly so as not to scare her or make it a stressful time for both of you. Tip number 2 is to watch what you give her to eat and drink. There are specially formulated cat foods that are made to control plaque and tartar. Infused enzymes and antibacterial agents in certain treats can also help to prevent oral disease. Finally, you can add products to your pet's water that can help keep bacteria at bay. Tip number 3 is this: schedule regular professional dental cleanings. Even if you're doing a great job at home, you will still need to supplement with professional cleanings. At your cat's annual exam, your veterinarian can recommend an appropriate schedule for your cat. Not all cats can tolerate brushing, so be sure that protecting your cat's teeth doesn't harm you.